How to make money from a website. There are multiple ways you can do it, but these are my best ways to make money through a website. Number 1. Selling products. Creating an online store and promoting either your own products or a third party's. Number 2. Selling ad space. Letting other businesses advertise on your website. You can use Google AdSense to prevent having to reach out to companies yourself. Number 3. Accepting donations. Allowing your visitors to support what you do and show their appreciation by helping to fund your website. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Taking commissions from businesses by either referring potential customers or actually securing sales for them. Number 5. Sponsored posts. As your website grows in popularity, you may find companies reach out to you in the hope you'll promote their brand. Be careful though, in order to keep your reputation intact, you'll only want relevant sponsored posts that fall in line with your visitors' interests. Number 6. Subscriptions. Allowing visitors access to online tools, software, premium services, or content behind a paywall for a monthly or annual fee. Number 7. Generating leads. Get your site's visitors to sign up to another brand by presenting them with what the brand offers and recommending its services. And lastly, selling a service. Selling a skill or trade and advertising it online, for example, window cleaning, personal training, or dog walking. And that's it in today's video. But wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button. See you guys in the next video.